Hey everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am coming to you from my day off here. We got some deliveries. I still have a delivery. We're missing 2 boxes. FedEx would not deliver. We don't have a long driveway, but it is pure ice up here. I don't know what your weather is like, but I'm so over winter and I'm so over the snow, the ice, the rain, the craziness. Bring me spring, like now. But in the meantime, I'm coming at you today. I have our IOD order came in, and I'm really excited to share these. I'm really excited about some of the projects we have coming up with them too. So let me just show you the stuff we got in. So we carry the ink, and we got in some charcoal gray ink. So now we'll have black, white, and charcoal. This transfer sells out every time I get it in. So we got 3 more of the ephemeral melange. And that's what you're getting in that one. There's 3 of those. We got 3 of the Franz Botanical. I love this one. I think this was the very first transfer we got in here that sold out, like boom. It's fun. I really like that one. I did really cool bathroom art for our bathroom at home. This one's been sold out forever, and I was really excited to get it in. This is actually called Winter Song Wreath, and it's actually a paintable transfer. So it's black and white, and you can leave it like that, or you can paint it in. You can use watercolors. You can use whatever paint you would like. I'm excited about that. This is a reorder as well. This is Whispering Willow. Honestly, guys, this is probably my favorite transfer. I have used so much of this. I love, love, love it. I did buy 1 set of paint inlays to try. And if you look, this is what it's going to look like, the 8 sheets. Hopefully I'll have a tutorial coming up soon using those. I don't have anything in my head yet, but it's coming. Next up, we have the Rose 12 stamp. I got that one, I'll be honest, because I want to use it on like backers for like hutches and whatnot, or sides of dressers. I just like that look, so I was really excited about that. And this is Antiquities. This is a new one from the spring release that I didn't get in that first batch. And it's kind of a little bit more whimsical than like their other label stamp set is. I'm really looking forward to trying that one out. That I'm going to keep one for sure right away. I'm going to do the not new molds first. I got in butterflies. This one's called Monarch. And then this one is frames. This is different frames. And I have some really cool ideas I want to try with those. And then up next are our more spring release stuff. So this one is called Hidden Hollow. It's little fairy doors, you guys. I have seen the cutest decor come out of this mold, and I'm really, really excited. I have some great ideas for this one. These next 2, though, I think I'm going to use them all the time. All the time. This one is Dewdrop Pond. This one has hummingbirds and toads and ferns and snails and salamanders and a little baby turtle even. I have a class coming up where we're going to do some little pots, and then the flower shop next door is going to have a planting station out. Really excited to use this for that and so many other things along with these. These are going to sell so fast. I have 3 of each of these molds. I plan on keeping 1 of this one and 1 of the dewdrop and 1 of the fairy doors. I can order more, guys. Don't worry, I can order more, but these will go fast. So if you want them, hit me up and I can get them shipped out right away. I'm really excited to create with these new items, and I can't wait to share my projects with you. Please like, subscribe, and share. And again, if you see something you want, message me. I will get them shipped to you, invoiced and shipped to you immediately. We'll see you guys all next time.